Module 1, Foundations of Anticipatory Action. Hello, and welcome to the first module of our course on anticipatory action planning. For decades, the humanitarian system has largely worked on a reactive model. A disaster strikes, an assessment is done, an appeal is launched, and aid eventually arrives. But what if we could get ahead of the crisis? What if we could use science, data, and local knowledge to act before the worst impacts are felt? This is the core idea behind anticipatory action. In this first module, we will explore the foundations of this approach. We'll look at the why behind this global shift and see how it's already being put into practice right here in Zimbabwe. 1.1 The global shift, why act early? So, what is anticipatory action? UNOCHA defines it as a structured, evidence-based approach that links early warnings to pre-agreed actions and pre-arranged finance. Let's break that down. It's not just acting early, it's acting on a pre-agreed plan, triggered by a specific forecast, using money that is already set aside. The evidence, gathered by organizations like the World Food Programme, is compelling. Acting early is not only more dignified for affected communities, but it's also more effective. Studies show that for every $1 spent on anticipatory action, we can save up to $7 in traditional response costs. More importantly, it allows families to protect their hard-earned assets, like their livestock or seeds, and avoid making desperate choices, like pulling their children from school. 1.2 The AA ecosystem in Zimbabwe. This isn't just a global theory, it's happening here. Zimbabwe has a vibrant and growing anticipatory action community of practice. This includes key government bodies like the Civil Protection Unit, CPU, and the Meteorological Services Department, MSD. They work alongside UN agencies like WFP and FAO, the Red Cross Movement, and various local and international NGOs. This collaboration is crucial because no single organization can do this alone. It requires the expertise of forecasters, the reach of government, and the community connections of NGOs. The government itself is championing this shift, developing a national roadmap to formally integrate anticipatory action into our country's disaster management systems. 1.3 Core components of an AA system. To make this work, 3 core components must be in place. Think of it as a three-legged stool. First, you need forecasts and triggers. This is the predictive information that tells us a hazard is likely. Second, you need pre-arranged finance. The money must be ready to go, without delay, as soon as the trigger is hit. And third, you need pre-agreed action plans. This is the playbook that everyone follows, detailing who does what, when, and where. In the next modules, we will dive deep into each of these components. By the end of this course, you will understand how to build this system for your own work.